Hello, friends. Can I share something special with you? My heart fills with joy when I look around this room. You know why? Because I see heroes. Yes, real heroes. I see you sitting there, ready to change your life by learning English. That takes real courage, and I'm so proud of you already. Let's have a heart-to-heart talk about this amazing journey you're on. Learning English isn't just about memorizing words or grammar rules. It's about opening doors to a whole new world of possibilities. It's like having a magical key that can unlock so many doors in your life. I know exactly how you're feeling right now. Sometimes your heart races when you try to speak English. Maybe your hands get sweaty when someone asks you a question in English. Perhaps you lie awake at night wondering, will I ever get this? These feelings? They're completely normal, and I want you to know something important. Every single person who speaks English today once stood exactly where you are. Think about this. There are 1.5 billion people speaking English around the world. That's like having a huge family waiting to welcome you. From the busy streets of New York to the beautiful beaches of Sydney, from London's cozy cafes to Singapore's modern buildings, English connects them all. And soon, you'll be part of this amazing global family too. Let me paint you a picture of what's waiting for you. Imagine walking confidently into an international airport, your heart full of excitement. You can chat with the flight attendant, make friends with your seatmate, and order your favorite meal, all in English. No more feeling lost or confused. No more staying quiet because you're afraid to speak. Picture yourself in your dream job interview. Your potential boss asks you questions in English, and guess what? You answer them with confidence. Your eyes shine as you express your ideas clearly. That promotion you've always wanted? It's within reach now because you speak English. But here's the thing. I know this journey isn't always easy. Some days you might feel like you're climbing a mountain. Your legs are tired and the peak seems so far away. On these days, I want you to remember something very important. Every single word you learn is a step forward. Every mistake you make is actually a tiny victory because it means you're trying, you're growing, you're learning. Want to know a secret? Even native English speakers make mistakes. Yes, really. They forget words, they mix up grammar, and guess what? Life goes on. The most important thing isn't speaking perfectly. It's about having the courage to speak at all. Here's how you can make this journey more enjoyable. Make English your friend. Don't think of it as a subject you have to study. Think of it as a friend you're getting to know better each day. Like any friendship, some days will be fantastic and others might be challenging, but every day your friendship grows stronger. Turn your world into an English classroom. Listen to English songs while cooking. Dance and sing along. Watch English movies while relaxing. It's learning and entertainment combined. Read English stories before bed. Let them fill your dreams with new words and ideas. Celebrate every tiny win. Did you understand a joke in English? That's amazing. Did you help someone with directions in English? Wonderful. Did you write your first English email? Time to celebrate. These moments might seem small, but they're pure gold. They're proof that you're growing, learning, and getting better every single day. Remember your dreams. Why did you start learning English? Close your eyes and picture that reason. Maybe it's your children's proud faces when you help them with their English homework. Perhaps it's that dream vacation where you can talk to people from all over the world. Or maybe it's that moment when you finally get that job you've always wanted. Keep this dream close to your heart. Let it be your light on tough days. You're not alone on this journey. Look around you. See all those other learners? They're your teammates. When you feel tired, they'll cheer you on. When they feel discouraged, you'll inspire them. Together, you're stronger. Together, you'll reach your goals. Think of learning English like growing a beautiful garden. Some days you might not see much change, but under the surface, roots are growing stronger. Every word you learn, every practice session, every small conversation, they're all like tiny seeds you're planting. One day, maybe sooner than you think, your garden will bloom. And oh, what a beautiful sight it will be. Let me tell you something from my heart. You are capable of more than you know. Your brain is like a sponge, ready to soak up new knowledge. Your heart is brave enough to face challenges. Your spirit is strong enough to keep going when things get tough. There will be days when you want to give up. Days when English feels like a puzzle with too many pieces. On these days, be kind to yourself. Remember how far you've come. Think about the person who started this journey, the one who maybe knew just a few English words. Look at you now. You're reading this, understanding these words, growing stronger every day. The future is bright, my friend. Every day you spend learning English is a gift you're giving to yourself. It's a step toward a bigger, more colorful world. A world where you can make friends from different countries, watch movies without subtitles, read books in their original language, travel anywhere with confidence, get better job opportunities, help others learn English too. Your English journey is more than just learning a language. It's about becoming a stronger, more confident version of yourself. It's about proving to yourself that you can do hard things. It's about opening your heart and mind to new possibilities. So keep going, brave learner. Every word you learn is a victory. Every sentence you speak is progress. Every mistake is a stepping stone to success. The world is waiting to hear your voice in English. Remember, you are not just learning English. You are transforming your life, one word at a time. And I believe in you, completely and absolutely. Your future self will look back at this moment and thank you for not giving up. Keep shining, keep trying, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You are amazing, and your English journey is just beginning. The best is yet to come.